Hi, this is Anil and welcome to the video tutorial for the Learning Light on C++ programming. So in this tutorial we're going to learn how to overload the class member access operator. So this class member access operator is one of the special operators available in C++. It is nothing but the arrow operator. So this arrow operator is a pointer operator and also called the class member operator. So this operator is considered as a unary operator when overloading. So the general usage of this arrow operator is, we used to have an object and then the arrow operator and then the element. So here the object is the object that activates the call. So this object is going to call the operator function for this arrow operator that we write. And also when you overload this arrow operator or the class member access operator, the operator function must return a pointer to an object of the class where we overload this arrow operator. So here the element must be some member accessible within the object. So now we're going to see how to overload this operator in our program. So just for the demonstration purpose, I have already created a class in this program, and we have a class called marks and we have a member called mark, and we have a public constructor which is going to take one value and it's going to initialize the member mark, and also we have a public method which is going to print out the value stored in this member mark. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to overload the arrow operator, or we're going to overload the class member access operator. So this class member access operator is one of the special operator available in C++, and that's why we can't use friend function to overload this operator. And also the operator function that we're going to write must be a non-static member of this class. Alright, now here first we need to specify the return type. And also I told you that the operator function must return a pointer to an object of the class where this operator function is defined, and that's why it's going to be a pointer of this class marks star, and then the keyword operator, and then the operator symbol, which is this arrow operator, and then a pair of parentheses, and between that parentheses no parameters. That's because this arrow operator or this class member access operator is considered as a unary operator, and the only operand it's going to work on will be implicitly passed by the C++. So here inside this operator function we're just going to return this pointer. So it's going to be return and this, that's it. So now we have overloaded the arrow operator or the class member access operator. Next we're gonna create an object of this class marks, and let's say marks and Anil's mark, the object name, and we can initialize that, for example 65. Now we can access this what's your mark method, since it is public, this mark is private, by using the dot operator. And to do that we need to write the object name, that is Anil's mark, and then dot operator, and then the method name, that is what's your mark. Alright, so now we have overloaded this arrow operator, and that's why we can use this operator just like the way we were using this dot operator. So we can also access this by using the arrow operator. So we don't have a pointer here, and first I'm going to run this and then I'm going to explain it. So build and run. Alright, now you guys can see we got hey I got 65 marks and hey I got 65 marks. So we have accessed this member method what's your mark by using the dot operator and the arrow operator. So here when we use this arrow operator, this Anil's mark is going to call the operator function, and this object will be passed as the current object to this operator function. So this pointer is going to contain the address of this object passed, and that's why this operator is going to return the pointer. So here when we use this dot operator we are referring that through object. Because of this overloaded arrow operator, we get the address here because of the return statement of this here. So that's why we can access that just like the way we were using the pointer and the arrow operator. So this is how you guys can overload the arrow operator or the class member access operator in C++. So thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like my Facebook page and stay updated with the latest videos that we're gonna make, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.